Hi ladies, I'm so excited about today's video. I'm going to be sharing 7 fashion and beauty tips to help you look like a more youthful, radiant version of yourself. True transparency here. 3 of these tips are going to be beauty tips and 4 of the tips are fashion tips. So everything I'm talking about will be linked down below in my description box, including all of the amazing beauty products I'm going to be featuring in today's video. I want to take a moment and thank BEAUTYCOUNTER for sponsoring this video. BEAUTYCOUNTER is my absolute favorite clean beauty brand. I own tons of their products and use them daily, and I absolutely love them. They're high quality, they're so good for my skin, and all of their products help me look like a more radiant, youthful version of myself. So the best part, you guys will get 30% off with code MAGIC30 all first time purchases. And like I said, the beauty products will be linked down below in my description box, as well as the discount code. Before I get started, if you would please hit that little subscribe button, I would truly appreciate it. I do publish brand new videos every single week, and I started my channel to help women of all ages look and feel like the best versions of themselves. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, the first tip in order to look like a more youthful, radiant version of yourself is never go too heavy on the foundation. And this is called the Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer by BEAUTYCOUNTER. You guys, this is amazing. I have tried many tinted moisturizers in my day, and this one is my absolute favorite. It's not too heavy, so it's going to just give you, light to medium coverage. It's going to look dewy. It also has vitamin C in it, so it's very nourishing to the skin. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply it. I always just put some on the back of my hand, like so. And then I love the BEAUTYCOUNTER's beauty blender, and I will just dab this on my face. Now, the color that I'm using, I will be linking down below in my description box. It's a little bit darker than my natural skin color, but I did just get back from Cabo. I'd use self-tanner on my body and neck, so the reason I got it a little bit darker is because I wanted my face to match the rest of my body. And like I said, in the summertime, I'm a little bit darker. So as you can see, this provides, lightweight coverage. It's dewy, it's beautiful, it's nourishing. It doesn't look heavy and cakey. So I highly recommend this amazing Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer by BEAUTYCOUNTER. It also has great staying power. It stays on all day long, which is another thing I love. It's also been proven to increase skin elasticity, which also gives us a more healthier looking glow. Okay, the next tip is to never forget to fill in your brows, because honestly, our eyebrows are the framework of our face, and they can instantly make us look more radiant and more youthful. So BEAUTYCOUNTER has an amazing lip pencil, which I love. I use this to draw in my eyebrows. Now, first I will brush them up, because the eyebrow pencil does come with a brush on one end and then the pencil on the other end. This color is called, this is the medium shade, because I do like my brows a bit darker. I'm gonna do one brow, but bear with me because I'm basically looking into the camera versus a regular mirror, so I really can't see that well, but I'm gonna do my best. And then I'm gonna show you one brow after it's done versus the other brow, just so you can see the difference. And I always like to really exaggerate my brows up, because that also gives us a natural face lift. So as you can see, this brow has the pencil, this one does not, and there's a significant difference. So I'm gonna brush this brow up, and I will fill in this brow as well. And then another product of BEAUTYCOUNTER's that I love is this is the brow gel. So this is what I put on after I fill in my brows with the brow pencil, and I just use this to gently brush up the hairs, and it's just going to give me a natural lift and help the hairs on my brows stay up all day long. It also gives you a little bit of color, which I absolutely love. All right, the next beauty tip in order to look like a more youthful version of yourself is to only apply powder where you need it. So if you're oily in the T-zone, then I would suggest only applying powder in the T-zone, because honestly, applying too much powder can give us that heavy, cakey look, and you definitely don't want that. I love this loose powder by BEAUTYCOUNTER. It is amazing. Obviously, it's clean. I only apply it to the T-zone. I also do it under my eyes to set my concealer. But as you can see, it really does a great job of taking away the shininess, also minimizing my pores, and it just gives my skin a very healthy looking, radiant, vibe. I love this translucent powder by BEAUTYCOUNTER. So I absolutely love those 4 products by BEAUTYCOUNTER. And again, you guys get 30% off your first time purchase on the BEAUTYCOUNTER website with code MAGIC30. All the products will be linked down below, as well as the discount code. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I finished up my makeup. So tip number 4 is to always wear clothes that fit you properly. So you don't want to wear clothes that are too big. You don't want to wear clothes that are too small, because clothes that fit us, just not in the right way won't make us look like the best versions of ourselves. And here's another little tip. If you have clothes that are too small that you're holding on to, maybe you're like, oh, maybe someday I'll fit into this dress that I bought, to help motivate myself. That actually does the opposite. So get rid of all the clothes that don't fit you and really make an effort to wear things that hug your curves in all the right places. And I always say utilize your tailor when you need to, because like I said, well-fitting clothes will always make us look like the best versions of ourselves. So this is a fabulous ruched dress from Express. I just got this and I absolutely love it. You guys, it's under $100, but trust me when I say it looks way more expensive than it really is, and the fit is impeccable. I love the ruching. In fact, ruched midi dresses are probably my all-time favorite type of dress to wear. Why? Because they're incredibly slimming because of the ruching, and they also do a great job of hiding any challenge areas and really just sort of holding everything in. And this beautiful rust color is such a fabulous color to wear, honestly, all year round, but I've really been seeing it a lot lately this summertime, and I couldn't be more happy because it's one of my favorite colors. How about you? I paired it with these fabulous gold Express heels. You guys, these heels are also under $100, and they remind me of some Giovanni Rossi heels, but instead of being like, I don't know, $800 or something, they're very budget friendly. So I'm so in love with these gold heels. And if you've been watching my channel for a while or reading my blog, you know I'm a big fan of metallic heels because they go with everything and they always do a great job of elevating any look. Another amazing outfit that really fits perfectly is this 2-piece set by Sink a Set. Actually, it's also 30% off, you guys, so what a great deal. This is a beautiful cutout top. It does have sleeves on it. You can actually wear them up on your shoulder, or you can sort of let them drape down if you wanted to show your shoulders for a little bit of a tastefully sexy way to wear this top. I paired it with the matching skirt. Again, it has that ruching on the side, so it's very slimming, and I'm so in love with this hot pink magnetic color. Just gorgeous. I actually wore this on a date night with my husband. I think it would also be perfect to wear to a summer wedding. Okay, another fabulous dress that's so easy to wear and fits amazing is this really cool $59 summer maxi dress. I love this neutral color. I actually traveled recently and I wore this dress on the plane with a jean jacket over it, so it also travels really well. In fact, I'm about to do a video on travel looks, so tell me if that's something you guys would love to see. But this dress, again, I love the color, and you can't beat the $59 price tag. It's also extremely comfortable. I paired it with my frame denim jacket and my all-time favorite summer hat by Kuana. You guys, this hat is fabulous. It does a great job of sort of shielding the sun, protecting your face, also giving you a more youthful look as well. And it does come in like 5 different colors, and the price point is amazing. I did just get back from Cabo, you guys, and I literally wore this hat every single day I was there. It is that good. Another style tip to help you look like a more youthful version of yourself is never wear too many trend pieces at one time. Also, stay away from wearing outdated trends. Instead, stick to maybe 1 or 2 trends a season that you really love and that you feel confident and comfortable in. So the halter top neckline is a big trend this summer, and it's definitely a trend I feel amazing in, so I definitely wear it. This is a fabulous halter top by Hudson Jeans. It also comes in blue as well, which I do have because I also love wearing blue. I think it's a fabulous color, but I really love the neutral shade of this halter top. It is ribbed, so it's wrinkle free. I love wearing it with jeans, but I've also worn it with like a denim skirt and some flats for a more casual look. But today I'm wearing it with these amazing white high-waisted straight leg jeans, also by Hudson. I've been on the hunt for some white jeans with no rips in them, and you guys, these are my favorite pair. The denim is substantial enough to hide any challenge areas, which is something I always look for in a good pair of white denim. The fit is impeccable, again, high-waisted with a straight leg, so they're gonna do a great job of making you look taller and slimmer. And then I just added my favorite gold chain belt and my go-to metallic heels by Cult Gaia. I've had these heels for several months now, and probably, I think I've worn them over 50 times because they're that good and they literally go with everything. Another way to sport the halter top trend is with this fabulous Alison Olivia vegan leather top. You guys, this green color is gorgeous. Green is another trend that we're seeing this spring and summer, and I couldn't be happier because green is honestly one of my favorite colors to wear. This vegan leather halter top also comes in white as well, in case you don't love wearing green. And then I did pair it with these fabulous white ripped jeans by A Gold E. They have a similar fit to the Hudson jeans I was just wearing, so they are high-waisted and a straight leg, but they do have that distressing. So if you're somebody who doesn't love wearing ripped jeans, I would say go with the Hudson jeans versus the A Gold E ripped straight leg jeans. Okay, the next style tip in order to look like a more youthful version of ourselves is to pay attention to your shoes and wear statement-making shoes. I see a lot of women wearing outdated shoes, and that is a surefire way to show your age. So definitely stay away from doing that. I think a killer pair of heels can make or break any outfit. In fact, I just did a video, I think it was like the 6 pair of shoes that are out of style in 2022. And of course I included my favorite shoes that are in style. So definitely be sure and check out that video. I'll be sure and link it down below in my description box. So these are some of my favorite heels that I have purchased lately. They're by Bottega. They're a green lace-up heel. You guys, these are fabulous. This netting is also another really cool trend that we're seeing this summer. Now these shoes come in multiple colors. They come in green, they come in white, they come in, I think, yellow. So they're really amazing, and the heel height is only like 3 inches, so they're very wearable and very comfortable. And I always love a lace-up heel. I think they're super sexy and very on trend. I paired them with these amazing mother jeans. These are a bit on the baggier side, which is definitely where the denim trend is heading in 2022. They are high-waisted. They do have a little bit of distressing. They're sort of vintage inspired. So I think they're just really fabulous. They're also extremely comfortable. I paired them with a simple white tank by Jonathan Simkai. And then this is an amazing white denim jacket by Alison Olivia. It does have these really neat vegan leather sleeves that are made to look pushed up. So I love that detailing on this white denim jacket. Now this one might be sold out, and if it is, I will link another simple white denim jacket down below because I do think a white jean jacket is a summer staple that every woman needs because I honestly wear mine all the time. Another way to style these fabulous green heels by Bottega is with this mint green slip dress by Vince. You guys, this slip dress is awesome. It's not too tight. In fact, it is a little more on the loose fitting side. So if you're a woman who doesn't love like super tight dresses, this would be a great option. It also comes in a beautiful orange shade, which I think would be so beautiful to wear on vacation, a date night, a girls' night out, or what have you. I topped it with this amazing white ballet Balmain blazer with the gold luxe buttons. You guys, Balmain blazers are epic. They're like the queen of all blazers because the fit is so on point. It cuts in at the waist just as a well-fitting blazer should be cut, and the gold buttons just make this blazer look very luxe and very expensive. Now, if this Balmain blazer is out of your budget, no worries, because Express makes an amazing dupe to the Balmain blazer. Of course, it's white with the gold luxe buttons, so I'll be sure and link that blazer as well. Now, let me talk about another dupe to these green Bottega heels. I mentioned them in my shoe trend video a couple weeks ago, but these are fabulous dupes of the Bottega lace-up heels. You guys, they're also green. They do come in several colors as well. I will link them down below in my description box, but I think they look like literally almost identical, but instead of being, you know, extremely pricey, I think they're actually on sale right now, making them under $100. Another style tip that will help you look like a more youthful, radiant version of yourself is making sure that you carry a handbag that's proportional to your body size. So I see a lot of older women carrying these ginormous handbags, and that's not necessary. I would say go with a handbag, like I said, that's really proportional to your body size. Honestly, the older I get, the smaller handbags I carry. Why? Because I think they look better. They don't take away from your outfit. They're more of an accessory as opposed to like something that's like in your face, huge and ginormous. So I would definitely say stay away from huge, big handbags. One of my favorite new handbags I have just purchased is this $98 gold handbag by Rebecca Minkoff. You guys, I love the color. Like, I'm obsessed with shine. Anything gold and metallic or shiny, I love. It's a pouch style, so it does remind me of the Bottega pouch. It's definitely big enough to carry things in, you know, during the day, but you could also carry this fabulous bag in the evening. You could carry it to a summer wedding. Like, literally the possibilities are endless because this metallic $98 gold handbag is so versatile. I absolutely love it. And again, I think the size is just perfect. I styled it with this black express wrap dress. You guys, this dress comes in two colors, black and that fabulous rust color I was talking about earlier. It is under $100, so what a steal for such a flattering dress. And also the wrap style of dress is very flattering for all body types. So I love this dress. It's comfortable. You could wear it alone, or you could certainly drape a leather jacket over it like I have here. This is a really cool black leather jacket by Lamarck. And then I just added the same express gold heels because, again, I can't believe how fabulous these heels are. They look very similar to the Giovanni Rossi ones, but they're very budget friendly. So those were the 7 style and beauty tips to help you look like a more youthful version of yourself. Please let me know what your favorite tip was because I always love hearing from you guys. I want to thank Beauty Counter again for sponsoring this video. And remember, you can get 30% off on all first-time purchases with code MAGIC30. For more style information, you can head over to sewheather.com, and on Instagram, I'm sewheatherblog. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and until next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.